Hello guys. Hello. What are you doing? I'm sorry for being late. So what are you guys doing? You studying trigonometry triangle. Oh, I see. So do you guys need a MAT? Yes. Which question do you want?
Mom, I think I don't understand this question because my mother was explaining at the front. I went to the toilet.
Yeah. Oh, I see. This question right here. I will show you at the front. Okay, so as you can see here, there's two sides, 9 cm and 7 cm. So this conclude that we can do your Pythagoras. So since this is hypotenuse, we can do as 9 square plus 7 square. So what is 9 square?
11.4018.
Yeah. Okay. So do you guys need help for the second question? Okay, guys. Kurang akan confused when you use law of sines and when you use law of cosinus. Can you explain for us?
Law of sine is when sine A divide to A equal to sine B divide to B and equal to sine C equal divide to C. Or you can replace the from the upper to the below.
Oh, I
Can you
see.
give us some example? As you can see from the example 1, if A given A equal to 8, sin C equal to sin 55 and sin A equal to sin 30. So we need to find the C. From the formula, just put the information to the formula and you can get the answer.
I see. So that's how it's written.
A few moments later.
About law of cosinus, if a problem refers to three sides and one angle, use law of cosinus. The law of cosinus can be used to find the opposite side of a
Wait,
triangle.
yes. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna go out buy some food. Yeah, I'm hungry too. You go with me to go to some food, okay? Okay, let's go. You get the me first. Hey, you remember about the geometry assignment? I forgot, but there's so much to remember about the assignment.
So we need to find two items to elaborate it and measure it.
Do you have any idea about it?
I'm not sure about that.
How about we ask two of them?
Yeah, sure.
Hello guys, I'm back. So we bought some ramen for us to eat. Ta-da! So, what are you guys talking about?
When you go out to buy the food, I discussed with Azuma about the geometry assignment. Do you have any idea about the items we need to use?
Item to use it for our assignment What do you think about this?
I think can use it.
We can use this shape. What shape is this called?
Faster.
Yeah, calling a faster. You're so clever.
Samyang Foods Co. Ltd is an international South Korean food manufacturer and the first instant ramen company in South Korea. Samyang Food was founded on September 15, 1961 by Jun Jung-yoon. In 1963, Samyang Food debuted the first Korean instant noodle. The notorious Bulldog Ramen made its debut in the Eastern Union market in 2012, targeting spicy food lovers. Kim Jung-soo, president of Samyang Food, the maker of Bulldog Ramen, said 2 tons of sauce and over 1,000 chickens were used to develop the recipe.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So this is the diagram for the ramen cup we did earlier.
Oh, I see. So what shape is this again?
This is conical frustum. It is the shape from a cone and it cut half from it's cut in the middle of the cone.
So it's supposed to be a cone, but it's not. I see. I understand. So how to search for its volume?
You need to use similar triangle formula to find the volume and the surface area.
I see. Oh, so you put the cone inside the formula.
Yes. So this is how to find the height for the
Big cone.
Yeah, for the one cone. And this is the formula for volume conical frustum. We need to use the
So is this the formula for the big cone? Like the big before it was cut into the ramen cup?
yes. This is the volume for the big cone minus the small cone.
I see. So we cut off this as a big cone and we minus for this volume. So we can get for this volume. Right?
Yes.
So how about the surface area?
About the surface area, this is the surface area formula for conical frustum.
I see. So this is the surface area formula for this big cone, right?
Yes.
So it's will minus for the small cone here, right?
Yes.
And then we plus pi r square for this circle, right?
Yes. And the last one is the pi r square for the big circle.
So we gonna count for the small circle and the big circle. I see. So this is the S by R.
This is the lateral edge for the cone.
I see. So we should start to count for this line and radius. I see. So let's count.
First, we need to refer the formula given and the value obtained from measuring the ramen cup earlier. Then, we need to find the height for the big cone and the small cone by making an equation as shown given. After that, by using similar triangle formula, we can find the height for the small cone. And we get the answer for the height for the small cone is 27. Then we insert the answer earlier to the first equation to find the height for the big cone. And we get the answer for the height for the big cone is 36. After we get the height for the big cone and the small cone, we can insert the value into the to find the value for the big cone formula, which is 1 divided 3 times pi times radian square times height. And then we get the answer for the volume for the big cone, which is 588 pi. After that, we need to use the same formula to find the volume for the small cone, and then we get the answer 225 divided to 16 times pi. After we find the volume for the boss cone, we can find the volume for the conical frustum by volume for the big cone minus to the volume small cone, and in that we can get the answer 1797.187, and that was the volume for the conical frustum. Next, we need to find the surface area for the conical frustum. From the formula given above, we need to find the slant edge for big cone and small cone by using theorem Pythagoras. Then, after we get the answer, we need to find the surface area for the big cone by using the formula S pi r. Then we get the answer at 106.5078. After that, we need to find the surface area for the small cone by using the same formula S pi r. Then we get the answer for 145.7974. Finally, we need to find the surface area conical frustum with base by the formula given above. Then we get the answer 601.2385.
So this is the calculation formula looked up before. Maybe already you can see.
Wait a second. I think we can use that box as our second item for the assignment.
There's a rectangular prism, right?
Yes.
So we can use it for our item. Maybe you guys should explain this calculation at the whiteboard. Okay, let's go.
It is owned by one of the largest dairy cooperative companies in the world, Royal Friesland Campina NV, a Dutch multinational dairy company. Dutch Lady Malaysia was the first milk company to be listed on Bursa Malaysia in 1968 and the first to introduce formulated milk powder for children in Malaysia in 1988. The company started as Pacific Milk Industry Malaya Sdn Bhd on 28 May 1963, where it was commissioned to produce sweetened condensed milk in its factory in Petaling Jaya, becoming Friesland Foods' first production facility outside the Netherlands. Ramjit Kaur, Managing Director of Dutch Lady Milk Industry Berhad.
So this is the volume formula for the rectangle prism. As we can see, this B refer to the base area for this part.
Oh, I see. So B stand for white times blank, right?
Yes. And when we got the base area, we times with the height, and we got the volume.
I see that. Okay, next we will talk about surface area of the rectangular prism. Formula for surface area is 2B plus 2 plus PH. 2B stands for these two area of the base, and P is perimeter of the base. You know how to find the perimeter, right?
Yes.
So perimeter we count the perimeter of this base only. So and H stands for the height.
Using the formula volume of rectangular prism base times height, we can get the answer is 240 cubic centimeters. After that, to find surface area of rectangular prism, we can use the formula 2 base times perimeters times height. And the answer we can get is 256 square centimeters.
The next day.
Oh, I see. That's how it is. Yeah, how easy this calculation is. Sorry. Yeah,